Greetings, my brothers and sisters in Christ and creation. My name is Leonard Anderson, and I hail from the beautiful East Coast, Halifax, Nova Scotia. I have the privilege of serving as the senior pastor at Emmanuel Baptist Church in Upper Hammonds Plains. Family, I am thrilled to welcome you to the 2024 Lester Randall Preaching Fellowship in Toronto, Ontario. Mark your calendars, October the 27th to the 28th. The theme this year is New Beginnings. In the new creation, our God is at work. We will explore God's transformative power at work in our lives and in our communities. During this fellowship time, I'm honored to be delivering a sermon, a keynote address, and a workshop focused on prophetic preaching from an African Nova Scotian perspective. In this workshop, we will illuminate the rich tapestry and oratory of social justice and advocacy, for that has been the beat of the drum here in Novelli Coast. Through their profound experiences, we will explore the intersection of faith and hope, resiliency, all in God's creation. I'm talking about community empowerment, inspiring action, and solidarity. Would you please join me? Join us. We would be honored to have you at this conference, October 27th to the 29th, as we harness the spirit of prophetic leadership and ignite change, creating a more equitable and just society. I look forward to seeing you there. Until then, God bless.